Kraber behind it. I need some bats.
I also need bats.
Can't touch this.
No.
Can't get mad.
Stepping one arc.
Arc star here.
30 seconds before the ring closes. Use it well.
I have this. You can take that, Yuki.
Where is it? Okay.
Accelerant here.
I'll pop it. You go, see?
Got ulti, but I might die.
One or?
Very good.
I don't know.
And then,
At least two. I will have cells.
They're getting eaten by
give me a
prowlers.
medkit. Give me a medkit.
On my right.
It's only you, I'm resetting. He's running it open. What the fuck, man?
Recharging shields.
Tempted to craft again.
I got 9 bats now.
I'm gonna have 4.
Get some medkits.
Oh,
man.
there's a vantage sniper!
Oh, he's in zone.
Confirmed kill.
Oh, he dead.
Wings out. Reloading.
Be dead, yeah.
Front of me.
I just wanna play the game.
One on my right, one on my left. Two teams, I think. Might be 2 teams, careful.
Nope.
He didn't get me. He's double scan.
Are
Nice.
you fucking kidding me?
Can't help you.
Do you have Ash AP for me?
No. I cracked Horizon! Horizon is the Kraber.
It's 2 teams, it's 2 teams. When do you have TP? They just start seeing me, fucking weirdos.
In like 20 seconds.
Why? You should.
It's another Kraber.
I'm trying to protect. I'm trying to.
The guy from here killed me.
Yeah, but it's another Kraber.
The guy number one.
I knocked one.
I can't.
When you have TP, just come TP me back.
Yeah.
Resting.
Oh, I can't cancel that there.
Healing.
That's fine, just TP me back and rest me.
Yeah.
Shooting something.
Oh!
Try to start me.
I headshot him. I got
The arm is hopping. I have a gold knock as well.
Have the banner. We must correct their failure. Focus.
Dog
Do
shit,
not
that's
let them
game.
best you again.
might save you this.
Champion has proved unworthy of her name.
Fucking lovely game, man.
Excuse me. No more. Dude.
Fucking stupid. So is Dante fucking solo as well or what?
No, it's full team. The Pathfinder was also on the rock, like far behind Densey. He also had a Kraber.
I loved it. I just got 210 headshot. Got 1 shot.